guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not updating on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve not updating on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will go to CapCut and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, you can click clear cache. Then you can go to airplane mode and you can turn on. And in the end, you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.